Well, back on Blythe Pier. Sorry, Amble Pier. I'm going to be fishing for flounders in place. Nice day. Tide's right out though. That shouldn't be a problem. I thought Pier would be crowded because the kids are off school, it's the 6 weeks holidays. But I've got the entire pier to myself. There's only one fisherman down there. Besides that, there's just a ton of dog walkers and things. So, get the rod set up, see what we get. And here's the first catch of the day. And I think that's a weaver fish. So, never caught one of these before. Yeah, it's definitely a weaver fish. So that's another first for me. I'll see if I can get it off the hook without getting stung. Here's the second fish of the day, and here's what I've come for. Nice little flounder. Hope I catch a bigger one. Well, it just started to rain a little bit and everyone is cleared off. I'll literally have the entire pier to myself. This is why I wanted to come here today, because I knew it was forecast for a few little showers. And a little bit of water and everybody runs home. Bunch of damn sissies. Well, here's the third and fourth catch, using a 3-hook flapper rig on the main rod. Really nice flounder, got some really nice markings on it. And the bigger one, also really nice. This one's got some orange spots on it. So we'll get them off the hooks, get them back, and I'm going to change the hooks to bigger hooks because they're swallowing them. And that's no good. And here's the fifth fish. This one's a little bit bigger than the others. I put a bigger hook on and it still swallowed it. So we'll get them back. Well, here's number 6, I think. Another nice little flounder. Changed to a 1/0 circle hook. And that's finally got them, or stopped them from swallowing it. All the other ones went back good. I'll switch it off and get them unhooked. And here's the 8th flounder. Tiny little thing. Number 10. Here's number 11. This one's quite a nice one. Here's 12 and 13. They're starting to get a bit bigger. Yeah, so that's but you go down the here's number 14. Another nice flounder. And I remember one of the things why I stopped fishing here a couple of years ago, and that's why every 5 minutes there's a fucking boat coming, and apparently you've got to reel in to give way to the boat twats. So if they don't see you reeling in, they aim for your fucking line. Here's number 15. Nice little flounder. That's it, 15 fish caught, all flounders apart from that one weaver fish, which was a first for me. Never caught one of those, never even seen one in real life, so that was an interesting thing to catch. But yeah, today's been one of the best fishing days I've had in a while, and next week I'm definitely going back down Amble. That's pretty much it. As far as the tackle I took, I got a 6-piece 12-foot rod. Beachcaster by Maximus, or Flounder Maximus. I've had that thing for maybe 10 years and it's still perfect, just like it was the day I got it. I think the tip ring's replaced once and it needs replacing again, but besides that, can't fault it. And the reel, the Como Magnitex, another one of my favourite reels. And besides that, I just had the usual cheapo Red Wolf. Had a lot of fun catching flounder on that. It's only 5 to 25 grams. And the hooks, I started off with the Owner SSW with the cutting points in size 2. They were swallowing those, so I moved up to the 1/0. And that's pretty much it. That's all I've got to show. Great day's fishing. Actually caught the fish I was targeting, which is always a plus. That's it for now. Thanks for watching and goodbye. And tight lines, everyone.